Hello everyone, this is the book sharing number 2. Jesus told about lost things, was a father and his son. The younger son, words and action were shocked. He asked for his share of the family property while his father is still alive. That was the same as waiting his father to be dead. Then he left his family and wasted all money and living in a sinful life. Soon, her money and her pride wi- were gone. He was so poor and that he ate the pig's food. Then he repented. He stopped living in sinful ways and he is returned to his father. The father forgave his younger son, and so glad he was home. So, if I given a chance to change the ending of the story, I will change the part of the story na yung anak na lalaki is na halos mamatay na o, o maghirap lalo dun sa sitwasyon na dumating yung point na kumakain na siya nung pagkain ng baboy, and siguro yung ipapalit ko dun is na mas maaga na siyang nagrepent or mas maaga siyang bumalik dun sa tatay niya, which is na nagbibigay o nagsusupply lahat ng kanya pangailangan, dahil kinuha nga niya yung mana niya na nagpakalayo-layo na ayun yung parang mali na nagawa niya na pwedeng ipalit is yun nga na mas maaga siyang nakapag-repent, mas maaga siya nakabalik, and yung father niya is mapagpatawad na binigyan siya ng second chance, and inabangan pa siya dun sa kanyang pag-uwi. Iibahin ko yung part na yung umuwi yung kapatid niya na panganay na nagkaroon ng hindi magandang pagtingin sa kanya dahil sa kanyang ginawa, and yung ipapalit ko is na siguro mas naging masaya na lang siya sa ginawa o sa nangyari, dahil yung kapatid niya na nawala is bumalik muli sa kanya at sa kanyang pamilya, sa kanyang tatay, at humingi ng tawad at nakipagsaya na lang din doon sa paghahanda na ginawa ng kanyang tatay.